How are you?
Doing very well. It's been a very challenging few, well, I should say 20 months, but we're looking at our portfolios right now, and we are back to where we were in terms of calling them deep value portfolios if you give us a 5-year investment time horizon. I mean, we're seeing incredible values for
Well,
the kind of growth that our portfolios are going to deliver.
you know where I want to go. I got to talk to you about the crypto space. It's a world you know really well. We think about the FTX collapse, the bankruptcy proceedings today, the coming undone of Sam Bankman-Fried. You have been buying into some of the different names in the crypto space: Coinbase, Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust. Why should investors trust crypto? Why do you trust crypto at this point?
Yes, if you look at the blockchains, let's use the Bitcoin blockchain and Ethereum, what you'll find is they have the infrastructure, the technology has not skipped a beat throughout this entire crisis. In fact, the hash rate, Bitcoin's hash rate is at an all-time high, and that is a real indication of the security of the network. On Ethereum, we're seeing the total value staked at 24 billion. That is an all-time high. So we think the infrastructure is working beautifully. As far as Coinbase, this is an onshore regulated company and wanting to help shape regulations. Brian Armstrong, the CEO, and Alicia, CFO, have been leaning into what's going on right now and saying, okay, regulators, we need more clarity in order to protect investors. Those who wanted to get involved with certain types of crypto were forced offshore, and look at what's happened. So I think that Coinbase is going to come out here looking very, very strong. It just lost a very big competitor in
Right.
FTX.
Well, what
Uh,
is the market missing though? Because that could be one narrative, Kathy, but at the same time, we haven't exactly seen shares of Coinbase rally since FTX's collapse. Do you think to
yeah.
you that represents potentially broader concern about just people's interest in crypto following FTX's collapse?
No, I think it's more fear. I think many people say we don't know what we don't know. And so what we do is we step back, put a little perspective into the situation here. And what do we have? So the entire crypto asset ecosystem is an $800 billion ecosystem.
Great day, great day, great day, great day, great day. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another opportunity. You got to be excited too. You got another day, another opportunity to be alive. I mean, come on. You got to get excited about that, great people, especially in the times that we're living in. So, great people, since we last connected, on my last YouTube video, I was so excited to do that. I got to keep them coming, great people. I got so much love, so much support. I want to thank everyone who tuned in, who made some comments, who gave some likes, people from all over the world. I'm super, super excited about that. But I want to move forward with this information, great people, because we got a lot going on, not just in the fiat currency, the US dollar and all other currencies around the world, commodities and things like that, but in this crypto space that a lot of people aren't part of, want to be part of, a little afraid, but a lot of people are part of. And we had that amazing lady speaking, Miss Kathy Wood, and some people, maybe a lot, may not be kind of familiar with this young lady, but I want to go briefly about who she is. She's an American investor and founder, CEO, and CIO of ARK Investment management firm. Now, in 1998, along with Lulu C. Wang, Wood co-founded Tupelo Capital Management, a hedge fund based in New York City. In 2001, she joined Alliance Bernstein as the Chief Investment Officer of Global Thematic Strategies, where she worked for 12 years managing $5 billion. I just came across on YouTube maybe a couple of months ago, super intelligent woman when it comes to the financial space, and these are the people who you want to plug into. And I tell you one thing, great people, you heard her. She's expecting or predicting that crystal ball for Bitcoin to be and reach that 1 million mark. So it looks like you and I most definitely, even though our dear brother, and I'm telling you, he stated, Brother Ishmael Muhammad, that, hey, it's all going down with the fall of America. But while the people's money, cryptocurrency, is here, we want to be able to capitalize in a righteous way, get the knowledge, use it for good benefits, because it is the people's money, and helping people from all over the world in certain areas where their paper money has gone to zero. Hey, just like all fiat currencies in history, it's been over 2,000 of them. They have all failed. So the US dollar is on her way, great people. So we want to take advantage of other assets as helping the people in these times that we're living. And I know you will agree that the times are rough. We got a lot going on, but I want to talk about this crypto space because there's been so much going on within the last few weeks and months with the crypto space that many people are afraid, with the lack of knowledge, to get involved with this transfer of wealth. Now, since 2020, we've had at least 75 crypto exchanges have closed down due to hacks, scams, or simply disappeared for unknown reasons so far this year. And this article was based in 2020. According to Crypto Wiser Exchange Graveyard, 5 of the exchanges were labeled as scams, and 4, including Albits and Nerea, were flagged as being hacked. Now, one of our really most recent within the last few days, I know many have heard about, the FTX situation, but within the last few days, we've had BLOCKFI, crypto lender BLOCKFI, files for bankruptcy sites FTX exposure. So, these are the things that we have to be aware of and what's taking place in the space of cryptocurrency. Now, crypto.com, what many people may be familiar with this platform here, they're one of the leaders in the space. They halt actually Solana, USDC, and USDT deposits and withdrawals. Now, these are 2 stable coins here, and cryptocurrency exchange platform Crypto.com has halted the flow of the top 2 Solana ecosystem stablecoins as the implosion of Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX empire continues to wreak havoc across the wider crypto ecosystem. Citing recent industry events and an email to users Wednesday, Crypto.com said effective immediately, the platform would be suspending deposits and withdrawals USDC and USDT to the Solana blockchain and the Crypto.com app exchange. So many things are happening, and great people, I don't want you to think because these things are happening that crypto's not a great thing to get involved in. Well, it absolutely is. You just got to be on point when it comes to things like this, because when we look at certain things, we aren't even conscious of our 401ks, our mutual funds, our bonds, our retirement. So we got to get financially educated fast. Take time to do this, great people, if you care about your money. And see, this is what it's all about. It's about protecting yourself. You get protected by gaining the information. So crypto protection, I like to say, is just based on learning about your offline hard wallets. Here's one, and I've talked about this several times. The Trezor. This is one I use. A great, super simple device, just like a USB, to use to move your cryptocurrency here. This is yours, okay? Centralized platforms aren't yours. Their name is on it. Coinbase, Crypto.com. I'm not saying they're bad things, but you're more protected here. Offline wallet, Ledger. I've had a lot of people say, Demi, I like the Ledger. A lot of people that I work with in the crypto space, and I'm educating in the crypto space, they say, Demi, I really want to use the Ledger. So they're ordering the Ledger. Super simple. A lot of information on YouTube to educate you about it. And this is also software wallets, Trust and the Atomic Wallet. You can download these from the Play Store and the App Store, and they're great. You don't put any of your personal information on here. You create what's called seed words, 12 words or 14 words to get in and a password. This is all about protecting your digital assets, great people, and this will save you a lot of pressure moving forward in this amazing space called cryptocurrency and blockchain. That's the great thing about learning this space, because you get so much information that's so powerful that you can help other people. Now, the professional trader is the individual who kind of goes into the space and, he's taking full control. He's not really allowing anyone else to trade for him. Nothing wrong with that, but that's a great alternative that you can look into, becoming a professional trader and learning how to use certain indicators that will allow you to win in the market. And you got passive opportunities as well, where you have something like a PAM account. And these are on several brokerage accounts. And a PAM account actually will give you gains on a weekly or daily basis as well. So that's something you want to look into, okay? Now just think about mining and nodes, mining and being part of certain cryptocurrency projects, a node having a stake in that where you own part of that, and just imagine having certain commodities backing cryptocurrencies. So this is great because you can mine the coins, own a part of the project, and then have commodities backing the cryptocurrency. So oil is in really everything around it. That's very important. Natural gas. I mean, I know you agree with that. We need to heat up the home, heat up our food, and so much more gas is used for in agriculture. How else are we going to grow our food? So you just imagine having these things along with other important things like aluminum, okay? This is super important because if that aluminum wasn't in that satellite, you and I wouldn't be communicating right now. So these are all commodities and assets. This is how you can also diversify your knowledge and diversify opportunities, where you can see that you can participate having cryptocurrencies projects backed by commodities. This is powerful. Click the link below in my description so you can get more information on that. So understanding that there's opportunities for you to get involved in, great people, that are opportunities where you don't have to worry, but you learn and you can earn and have that second income coming in. And how you stay educated, you plug in. And these are just some of the channels that I've been plugging into for a long time and getting educated. Rich Dad channel, super great channel that you want to plug into. Robert Kiyosaki with a lot of super smart financial educators, financial people in the space of the stock market, real estate, and other things of that nature. And they're just a channel that's based on elevating the financial well-being of humanity, and they've been having a lot of success doing that. Earn Your Leisure. Now, Earn Your Leisure is a core network. Ultimate purpose is to build as they climb as a community, highlighting collaboration over competition. And the network currently features 6 shows. Market Mondays, you can turn into Earn Your Leisure on Market Mondays. Go subscribe to their channel. I mean, you're getting a lot of free information and plugging into how you can get into the stock market and just really earn for free. So Market Mondays, they go inside the vault, Inner Wealth, Dream Nation, Rants and Gems, Real Estate Podcast, and also that great gentleman, 19 Keys. You'll actually get to plug into him there also on Earn Your Leisure channel. Now, Kitco News. Since 2009, the journalists have helped investors make informed decisions through an in-depth reporting, daily market updates, and interviews with key industry figures. They've aimed to accurately and partially cover the economy, stock markets, commodities, cryptocurrencies, mining, and metals. See, people, if you care about elevating financially, these are the channels you want to plug into. There are a lot more, but the key ones that I've been plugging into. And Brother Ben X, now, he's had several channels. This is like his 3rd YouTube channel, so you want to go to Brother Ben X and just tune in there. But his main channel that you can really plug into with Brother Ben X is on Instagram. And a lot of imposter channels too, so you make sure you don't plug into the wrong one. But Brother Ben X, okay, all one word. You'll see him on Instagram. I'm telling you, you'll learn how to build a business. Okay, I'm in his course, and I'll tell you one thing: our business is starting to skyrocket. I'm getting new people I'm connecting with. I'm learning so much, and so if you have whatever product you have, Brother Ben will teach you how to market that product. I'm letting you know he'll take your business and your life, help you take that thing to the next level. The Stransberry Research, okay? Now, for over 20 years, Stransberry Research has served millions of investors in more than 150 countries around the world, providing in-depth research on stocks, bonds, currencies, real estate, and commodities. Another great channel. I'm telling you guys, you're going to get so excited. You and I are going to pick up the phone. We're going to be talking, and we're going to have a lot to talk about because you're going to be learning so much. And last but not least, the Run Guys. So if you want individuals financially educated in the market, they're doing about 4 to 5 videos a day, okay? I mean, a day. So you can get a lot of information about cryptocurrency, a lot of things that's going on in the market, and this will keep you abrupt for you to make the decisions. None of this is financial advice. It's all for entertainment and financial education purposes only, great people. So you're going to have a ball when you tune in these channels that I'm recommending that you check out. This is how I'm able to win. This is how I'm able to earn. This is how I'm able to learn. And this is also what I'm really more excited about. This is how I'm able to help others. Great people, for each one of those YouTube channels and also the Instagram channel for Brother Ben X, I'm going to have links in the description for you to actually go on, subscribe to those channels, and start stepping up your game of financial literacy. Great people, I want to thank you this afternoon, this morning, this evening, wherever you're watching this information from. I'm so excited that you took time out to dive right in. Great people, for all of the information that I shared this evening, I want you to click the link below. There's going to be actually a website there where you'll be able to see all of the things to gain knowledge, great people. That's all this is about, to gain knowledge. So I want you all to take care, take heed, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit that bell. Okay, I want you to check out all of the information I'm going to be bringing you. Do my best to bring you every single week. Once again, take care, take heed, stay safe.